Metals come in a number of shapes and sizes, including structural shapes, beams, pipe and tubing, as well as other forms. Select each item to learn more. Some common structural shapes are plate, sheet metal, bars, and angles. Plate is metal that has been rolled to have a consistent thickness of at least 3/16 inch or 4.8 millimeters. It is identified with the symbol PL and its thickness is specified in inches or millimeters, while length and width are usually expressed in feet or meters. Sheet metal refers to rolled metal that has a consistent thickness of less than 3/16 inch or 4.8 millimeters. It is commonly rolled into coils. The thickness of sheet metal can be specified in inches, millimeters, or indicated using an American wire gauge or AWG number. The length and width are typically expressed in feet or their metric equivalents. Bars are rolled into different sizes and cross-sectional shapes, such as round, square, bar, Z-bar, hexagonal, and octagonal. Angles are bars with an L-shaped profile featuring legs that can be of equal or different sizes, always meeting at a 90-degree angle. Steel pipe sizes are designated by a nominal inside diameter, or ID, for sizes up to 12 inches or 300 millimeters. However, it's important to note that the actual inside diameter may not match the nominal size exactly. For pipes measuring 14 inches or 350 millimeters and larger, the specification is based on the actual outside diameter, or OD. Tubing is produced in square, rectangular, and round shapes. Round tubing is differentiated from pipes by its sizing method, since round tubing is measured based on its actual outer diameter. Beams come in various cross-sectional shapes like I-shaped, H-shaped, and T-shaped, and they can have either flat or tapered flanges. American standard I-beams have been replaced with American Institute of Steel Construction wide flange beams, which are now the standard for beams and columns. Wider flanges in WF beams offer increased beam strength compared to the older I-beams with equivalent web widths. Other common forms of steel commonly used in industry include reinforcing bars, forged objects, cast objects, and powdered metals. Reinforcing bars, also known as rebar or rerods, are used for concrete reinforcement. Forged shapes are special shapes used for their high strength, such as high-pressure pipe fittings. Cast shapes are used for machine parts, automobile components, and large castings. Powdered metals are used for welding fillers, surface coatings, and mold castings.